Welcome scalpers, Reece Cadaval here, ultimatescalper.com. Pre-market, we're stuck in a little sideways action right here. But I do have an arrow here and a possible signal here. Pretty big down move. And we have no trades yet today. Here's the date. I'm not sure that I want
Order
to go
submitted.
counter this down move, but we're stuck sideways, an arrow up. We have a possible arrow signal here. And we have about 15 minutes left till the New York Open. See if we can make a little money before then. All right, new candle opening. A bunch of signals to go long right at this area, and you see we have a blue line here, which is the ultimate zone. So that's going to be resistance for that up move.
Order filled.
All right, did have an order here, and I am filled going long. I'm going to have one, two, three, like 4, 5 signals saying long, but I'm going right into resistance too. So all right, finally breaking through this area. All right, plenty of time to get a stop in or take some profit or to get out at this time. I want to wait a little longer, see if it has a possibility of going up higher. Because if I put my stop in right now, I could get stopped out with just nothing or break even or a commission paid, and that's fine too. But I'm looking for at least up into this area right here. Here's a new candle opening with a sell alert on it. Now I'm not going to panic about that. I still think there's some upside to this move. Right, the alert was just temporary. Should I just take 112 bucks right now? I think so. Get my stop in. Get what I can out of this before it bounces off of here.
Stop filled.
All right. Stopped out with 357. That's way better than a loss. Fine with that. It went up to where I thought it would go. I tightened up. I mean, it could still go to the moon from here. Okay, here would be my next selling opportunity right now if price decides to come back down. This would be my entry at this red line. I missed this opening trade with this wonderful signal right here at the open. I was looking at another chart.
Order filled.
I'm going to get in on it late. Let's see if I can make some money on it now. Should have got in here, getting in here. So here's the signal candle, break of the signal candle is right about where I got in, hoping that it goes down to here. Took this move up, had a great entry here. I was looking at a different time frame and didn't get it right here. But I'm taking it at the signal candle breakout here. What a great move this was. This was a great move. I'm kicking myself. Really, the New York market open candle with an arrow on it and a sell line and I didn't take it because I was messing around with something else. Big move down. Well, my stop is in. I'm gonna make some money, but missed the big move. Great signal.
Stop filled.
All right, we had some great signals. Should I get back in? Arrows right here. Signal candle here. We took the breakout. This would have been the optimum area. But I think there's some more downside to go, so I can just jump right back in on this.
Order filled.
Now all the entries already happened. I'm getting back in on this because it's the part of the opening morning trade and it's probably going to have a little more down momentum. So I'm okay jumping back in, but be really cautious if you're going to jump back into anything other than the signals. Again, the morning moves can be pretty crazy and they can be very unpredictable. I mean, it's telling you the big pop, the market open. Now, if you have this signal, I mean, really makes it easy to pick that opening pop.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Right here is the next signal, and we're taking that. Plenty of time to get a stop in or a take profit. Don't want to get stopped out early. I'm going to see if this runs.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm going to take my money and run off of that. Up over 1,000.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Might have enough in it to go up again just a little bit more one more time.
Stop filled.
All right, got back in again, and it's still, we had another signal here. Good move up. If you want to get back in again,
Order filled. Stop filled.
Alright, worked out getting in again. Break at the signal candle is here.
Order filled.
I'll get in late at the breakout of the signal candle. Should have gotten in here, but I was already in the trade. Don't want to get in again. And I didn't get in at the optimum spot right here. I got in up here. So I'll keep it tight.
Stop filled.
Alright, that didn't even do me any good. But I'm good right here. And I'll wait for the sell signal for when it comes back down, if that happens. You've seen everything I've taken this morning, pre-market and aftermarket. Again, this was the big move. Looks like this move is petering out as the bar is going to come to a close, and then I will get ready for a sell as
Order
it
submitted.
storms back down. Right, here's the next signal and trigger area. There's a red
Order
arrow.
filled.
We're filled. Hopefully price shoots down here. Alright, I'm still in this. I didn't put my stop in down here when price was making me money. I was hoping that it would go down further before it pulled back. It didn't. I'm still in the trade. You think it's gonna go against me? Not worried about it at all. Just wait. Look how high it went against me here. And now I have another alert saying to sell if it breaks through this pretty much the same line that I'm at right here. I'm not worried about this trade. It's coming down. Now I've got two red arrows. I would have maybe gotten out if I wasn't up so big already this morning. But this is coming down here, at least around here. Plenty of time to get my stop in again. Plenty of time to take profit or put a stop in. Now I want this obviously to break the low over here. It's another signal. A little bit further, I'll bring in a stop. Alright, I move my stop in finally and I'm locking in. I'm thinking it's going to go down a lot further, but I'm just going to lock in now at this level. Been holding this for 5, 10, 15 minutes. Alright, I'm going to be done for the day after this trade, however it turns out. This video is getting way too long. Alright, new candle forming. They usually pull back a little bit, so I'll tighten my stop up. It'd be great if it just took off to the downside. Yeah, here I'll probably get stopped
Stop
out.
filled.
$20 away from 2,000.